So you have money in the TikTok Creator Fund, but you don't know how to get it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Quincy, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a payment method in the TikTok Creator Fund and also how to withdraw the money. All right, keep watching. Coming up next. Hey, but before I proceed, I want to give 2 shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to Legendary Gorilla and also Jenna Cuomo. Hope I didn't butcher your last name, Cuomo. Hey, thank you guys for staying active on the platform and leaving comments. If you want to be featured in one of my videos, make sure you leave comments and engage, and that way I can touch base with you and, hey, respond possibly also. All right, so let's go ahead and dive straight into it. I am on my TikTok account, and what you want to do, whether you've been going live on TikTok or even if you are now in the Creator Fund, so you want to hit those 3 dots on the top right, like so, and you want to click on Balance. You'll see Creator, but don't click on that. You want to click on Balance. Click on Balance, then it will bring you to, if you have any coins, you'll see at the top right, top left, I don't have any coins right now, and that's if I want to send people gifts during their lives. You don't want to click Recharge. What you want to click is Live Gifts. Click that. It's going to take you over to what you have. Now, this is not from the Creator Fund. This is what I have sitting in my live account. And the next time I go live, once I get over $50, I can take that out as well. What you want to do is click on the bottom where it says Withdraw. Now, this is if you've been going live. This is how you're going to set up a PayPal account or a payment method, whether it be money going onto your debit card. This is the way to do it so that when you have more than $50 in your TikTok Creator Fund and it's been more than 30 days, you're already linked up and you can already get the money out. So you want to go ahead and click Withdraw. And the reason why I know this is because hopefully I'll pop it up and it shows in the TikTok Creator Fund. If you already have a PayPal linked to your account, you don't need to do anything. You're already set. You're already ready to go. So if you've been going live, this is what you would need to do and where you would go to do it, to add a payment method on how you're going to get paid. So you saw that we clicked on Withdraw. Even though this is not more than $50, I've withdrew plenty of times, but I haven't withdrew lately because I'm waiting for it to get to $50. So you click on it, boom, there it goes. You see I already have my PayPal at the top, and then don't click on where it says plus add, but right below that where it says PayPal, because I already have it linked, I'm going to click on that because I might decide I want to add a different payment method. So you click on that, choose withdrawal method, or add a new withdrawal method. So if you don't have anything set up from going live and getting money, you can add a payment method. But if you already have something and you want to select a different way to get paid, let's go ahead and click on that. And it says Open TikTok. Now, maybe it's possible it'll let me take out this $22 instead of having to wait till I get to 50. Let's see. I'm going to click on Confirm to Withdraw. Wow, look at that. They now let you take out your money on your TikTok Live when it's under $50. You saw that for the first time. Normally, you have to wait also to take out that money. But I said, you know what, let me do this since I'm recording a video. And they let me take it out. Wow, that's different. So I got money in my PayPal account that says within 3 to 5 business days. Let's go back to Balance. You know I'm telling the truth because I just told you a few minutes ago that I'm waiting for it to get to 50. So let's go. Look, I just got an email. You see that? So I got paid. I didn't have to wait 3 to 5 days. So I'm glad that happened because now I can actually, show you guys, steps that actually take place or what you need to do. So let's open. Going back here, going into Live Gifts. So now I have $0 in there. If you click on the little page, it shows to the top right over there, the little squiggly marks on it. Click Open. These are all of the gifts that and the amounts that were given, depending on so many times that I went live. Going back to $9. But let's click on Withdraw. And it shows that I've withdrew 4 times. Now let's go to Creator Fund. Everyone always asks, and what I know is once you hit $50 on the Creator Fund, the withdrawal option will appear, and it will ask you, to set up your payment method. Payment and withdrawal. Let's click on that. How do I link payment method? Now it tells you open your TikTok app, select me, select balance, select income. Now I didn't see income. Matter of fact, can we go back? Let's go back to where it would have said balance. Click on balance. I believe that it doesn't say income because I haven't reached $50 on the creator fund yet. So this is my live gifts. Once I make $50 on the creator fund, it will say income. So I would be one of you guys asking, well, I don't see income. Let me show you this. Let's go back over here because I want everyone to read this with me. So here is one thing. If you skip to the second paragraph, the minimum withdrawal amount is $50. So that's where that comes from. The minimum withdrawal amount is $50. If you have less than $50 in your account, you can transfer the entire balance once January 1st to June 30th and once July to December 31st. If you are balling and you are one of those TikTok creators that have over 1 million and you're making all kind of TikToks, the max you can withdraw is $3,000 per day. I'm trying to be that person. And you can only withdraw 5 times a day. Here we go. When are my funds available to withdraw? Read this with me. Your funds are available to transfer to your payment method 30 days after the end of the month in which the funds were accrued. 30 days after the end of the month in which funds were accrued. So if today is September 1st, I need to wait till the end of this month, boom. And then it says 30 days after that. So it sucks, but that to me sounds like 2 months. Now, once you get that first payment after 2 months, it's just going to be every 30 days because you've already waited that first 2 months, and so now you're getting paid once a month. You get it? And now it's the same thing on YouTube because I already have, I try not to put all my business out there, but YouTube's threshold is $100. You can only get paid once you hit $100. But because I got monetized September 1st, I already hit more than $100 before YouTube pays out, which is every 21st of the month. And today is actually the 21st. So did the withdrawal option show up on YouTube? No, it didn't let me take my money out. I do see an AdSense where all of my money is accumulated, but it's not going to let me pull that money out until next month because it's kind of the same thing. I need to wait 30 days after that first initial income has been coming in. So I hope this has answered your question, guys. And you can rewind that part, pause, play it. People sometimes put the time segments, 6 minutes, semicolon, and 15 seconds. So people can jump to that part. I might put that in the description so anyone wants to know they can skip to that part. But hey, you know what? I made these videos to try to show you guys what to do, how to do it, when you should wait, what are we waiting for to get your money out of TikTok. Now the good news is, and that'll be in another video, is that TikTok is not going anywhere. Yes. So you already know that Oracle and Walmart have partnered up with the US branch of TikTok, and we're here to stay. So TikTok on. Right. Anyway, hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe this video. Please comment. Let me know if you have any additional questions. If you watch all my other videos, I try to answer all the questions that I can. So let me know what's on your mind. What are your thoughts? Are you making money? Are you balling out of control right now on TikTok? I want to know about it. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. That link will be in the description as well. And as always, share this video with someone else who can benefit from it. All right, guys, I'll see you soon.